Alright, tonight I'm scrapping this. This is a Rayovac AA, AAA battery charger. So I'll let you read the label if you want. She quit on me. It was a good little charger. I thought maybe it was this connection here, so I opened it up and took a look at that, and it wasn't that. And I tried it in different outlets. I even tried different batteries. I looked at all the solder joints. Everything looked good, but I don't know, she quit. She's getting scrapped. I didn't have a bit for it, so I made one. Just took a little cut in there. Works like a charm. I'm gonna cry the day my drill quits and I end up having to scrap my drill. Yeah, that's nothing too impressive here. Yeah, see all the solder joints look fine. That's a little crusty down here. Maybe that's fried. A little crusty there. Oh, she quit. All these are brass. And that can stay on there for extra weight. So let's get my yummy brass. Now, brass is one of the heavier metals. There's quite a bit of it in here, too. There's two. I have to cut it. And that does it. So let's get the scale on. This may not register. That's copper bearing. We got 0.06 of that. And the brass barely registers. But that wasn't easy. A couple minutes worth of work, make a little extra money. See? Magnet don't stick to it. That's brass. Stuck to that piece. So, just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. Oh! Oh! You almost escape it. Oh! Just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.